Yeah? So you're feeling better now, huh? Well, good. It gives us the opportunity to tell you to... Shut up, dog! From the Garden of the Grills in the noisiest neighborhood in the known universe, welcome to Smoky Goodness. Today we're keeping it simple. We've got boneless, skinless chicken breasts stuffed with cheese and wrapped in high-octane maple bacon. It's going to be good. Let's get started. Stick around, Herb. Alright, this recipe could not be easier. We have, looks like 3 boneless, skinless chicken breasts. Let's start by removing some of the excess fat. A little here, a little there. Not a whole lot to worry about there. I've got this small, kind of like a paring knife. And I promised my buddy Chef Ron Locke that I would do my take on a recent video of his. We're going to do. And I've done this before. I'm going to create a pocket right through the side. And the opening will not be too large. I'm just going to kind of rock this knife back and forth in there to create something like a cave. All right. And then, just got some shredded triple cheddar cheese. You can, of course, fill your chicken breast up with anything you'd like, even ham. Anything. Some fancy schmancy cheese would be great. But we don't happen to have any at the moment. And you just start stuffing. Stuff it in there good. For those of you who may be worried about cross-contamination, I'm just going to set some cheese off here to the side because I am touching raw chicken here. So I'm just going to stuff that cheese right into that hole. Small hole. Will help ensure that the cheese doesn't leak out of this. All right, this here is 100 proof maple flavored bacon. I mean, if we cook this stuff in the house, you smell maple for days afterwards. So what we're gonna do is just wrap the chicken breast in this potent bacon. Shut up, dog. Okay. All right, we're going to overlap 2 pieces of bacon right there. And poke a toothpick down in there. As the mosquitoes continue to look at me as if I'm an item on their menu. There we go. We don't have 100% coverage on that, but hey. Who's counting, right? Okay, I'm going to do these other 2 breasts. We'll get them on the grill in mere moments. Woo, that is some slippery chicken right there. Okay, we're going to put these slippery chickens indirect, opposite the hot coals, over a drip pan, which I've set up, just to catch the bacon grease, keep the grill clean. And we've got one other surprise coming up here in a little while, but for now we're going to let this go indirect, like I mentioned, low and slow, and run this grill at about 275 to 350 in that range. Should take about an hour, and we'll be back in a little while. We've got one more ingredient that is going on to these bacon wrapped cheese stuffed chicken breasts. Respect the rooster. Respect it. As the bacon begins to crisp up a little bit, this is going on the bacon. No need to candy the bacon. That maple flavor is intense. So sweet, heat, chicken, cheese. How can you go wrong? more minutes has passed. Here I'm just putting a little sriracha on the bacon, and only the bacon. That way, if it's a little too hot for the family, I can pull the bacon off and give it to me. I just checked the temperature a little while ago. We're about 140. We're going to go for 165 internal Fahrenheit. Give these guys a flip like that. You didn't think I was going to put sriracha on only one side of these, did you? That would be ludicrous. You pour it on, let it bake right into the bacon, or right onto the bacon. Oh yeah. So let he or she who doesn't like bacon speak now, or forever hold their peace. You know, this may seem like a really odd time to be doing this, but I just found this stuff. I thought we were out. This is KIRBBQ chicken rub. Man, I can't let that go to waste. My chicken breast is going to get a little bit of some of the best chicken rub you'll ever taste. You know I can't let that rub not be anchored. A little bit more sriracha, so. There we go. All right, I said I wasn't gonna do this, or I wasn't sure if I was gonna do this. I'm gonna do it. Put a final sear on these bad rabbits. Just for a few minutes. If even that. And of course you couldn't see that. Yeah, that. That's what we're looking for right there. A little bit of a char. Don't forget to take those toothpicks out before you start eating. That's maple bacon. The aroma is so powerful. I bet they can smell this in Cleveland.
Little boy is already...
He's already eating. All right, we've got mashed potatoes. We've got a salad over there. Got some gravy over here. Some salad dressing and everything. And look at this. He couldn't wait.
And later, headed to Philippines.
Yeah, you guys are going to be on a plane in just a few minutes.
A few hours. See you later. Stick around. See you on Sriracha.